Okay, seriously, like, I didn't expect that to be so good. I was making this video without knowing what to expect, but that is really getting in there. So right here I have Nekteck's Shiatsu kneading massager with a heat function. There's an easy sentence to say. And today I'm going to be unboxing this for you, showing how it comes new and my first impressions, and then trying it out and telling you some key info about this product. So the first thing to know is that it has 8 different massage modes, and we're going to try out a few of them in a minute. These modes can alleviate muscle soreness, ease neck stiffness, eliminate cervical fatigue, which I think I'm okay with, and relax the body after a long day's work. One of the key things that attracted me to this was the fact that it's portable. You can use it in your home or car or office, and I'm quite looking forward to using it in the car. Right, let's open it up. So it's quite a big box that it comes in. You can see that is the size of it compared to me. And I'm gonna just find where we can open it. It looks like it's very easy to open from the top here. And I'm gonna have a nice portable carrying box afterwards as well. So this is how it comes. You have packaging inside, all individually packaged. And this is all of it. So now we have it, I'm gonna set it up and show you how it works. Yeah, that feels solid, but also it feels very comfortable. It's gonna be nice. Now, if you're anything like me, I never read instructions, but right now I'm going to. So we've got the charging cable here, which does also include a car charger, car adapter, if you do want to use it. And then the plug that I'm gonna put in the wall right now. So I've just plugged it in, it's now connected to the power, and I looked very briefly at the instructions, but it does seem very self-explanatory. You just put your arms in like this to keep it on your shoulders, and that way you're going to get the best massage, and the power on button is here. Wow, that's good. Okay, seriously, like, I didn't expect that to be so good. I was making this video without knowing what to expect, but that is really getting in there. And then you can actually ease it off a little bit or pull it in with your arms to increase the intensity if you want to, but there are also different modes. My girlfriend's getting back later and she needs to try this. Okay, let's try a different mode. That's very, very good. That's like getting rid of everything up there. With the noises I'm now making, you might have expected to see this on a different website. So it does actually say that it turns off after 15 minutes. But it's actually a very strong, good massage. So I can imagine 15 minutes being enough from this. It's getting a lot of, I can hear things coming out of my back. It's like a Thai massage. It does say kneading massage, but I'm surprised this is so powerful. Alright, I'm gonna have to stop the video here. Otherwise it's just gonna be 15 minutes of me enjoying this massage. But as you can see, I definitely recommend this.